Are you wondering which language learning platform is better? Today, we're diving into Cambly and italki to see how they stack up against each other. Both Cambly and italki connect you with native speakers for language practice. They're great tools for anyone looking to improve their speaking skills. But how do they really differ? Let's start with Cambly. This platform offers on demand tutoring. You can jump into a lesson anytime you want, making it super flexible. Cambly focuses mainly on English, with tutors available to help you practice conversation, grammar, and more. The lessons are casual, and you can chat about anything that interests you. Now, let's talk about italki. Italki has a wider range of languages. You can find tutors for Spanish, French, Mandarin, and many others. Italki lets you choose between professional teachers and community tutors. This gives you options based on your learning style and budget. You can also find language partners for free conversation practice. When it comes to differences, Cambly is all about instant access and English learning. Italki offers more language choices and a variety of tutors. Cambly's lessons are more informal, while Italki provides a structured approach with different teacher options. In terms of features, Cambly is straightforward. You pay for minutes and can use them whenever you like. Italki has a credit system where you buy credits to pay for lessons. These can be more flexible but might feel complicated at first. As for pricing, Cambly is generally pay as you go, while Italki has different price points depending on the tutor you choose. So, which one should you pick? If you want quick English lessons anytime, go for Cambly. If you are looking for a variety of languages and structured lessons, Italki is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.